The Giny Germain was created by a bartender named Antoine Goldschmidt at a cafe, bistro or whatever, that he kind of revitalized. It was like an old spot that he revitalized, brought it back to its former glory. It's called Paulette Bistro, and it's named after its two main ingredients, Giny and Germain. It calls for 3 inches of cucumber that have been diced. We'll just throw that into our tin. That's a lot of cucumber though. 3 inches of cucumbers like that. And then dice it up and it's like that. It's gonna be crazy. I'm sure we're muddling this. And then we're gonna do, wait, put that for last here. 3/4 ounce of simple syrup. And then we're gonna do, so the recipe calls for lemon or lime. So you know what I decided to do? I'm gonna do lemon and lime. So we're just gonna do 3/8 ounce of both. Because why the heck not? I like the addition of lemon and lime together. It gives you a little bit of the sweet and a little bit of the tart, and it's just a very nice balance in a drink. So I recommend that all of you guys create new cocktails with lemon and lime together. So 3/8. Feel bad, but we're gonna pour this out. It's the last video of the day. It's a little wasteful, I'm sorry. You think this one tiny lime is going to produce 3/8 ounce of juice?
Yes.
You do? 100%?
Yes.
You willing to stake anything on that? Care to make a wager? No. Actually, after it's squeezed, I think it's definitely gonna be 3/8
Okay, how about $1,000?
Nope, too late. Ooh, more than a 3/8 ounce. That was good. That was good. I'm gonna give this the old muddle-palooza over here. Give it the old, oh, this is so much cucumber though. This is crazy. This is crazy amount of cucumber up in here.
3 inches is
3 inches is a lot.
Really? Nothing.
Gosh, dang. All right, well, I'll give it a good old muddle. It's gonna be very cucumber forward. And cucumber's gonna go so well with the St-Germain. 3/4 ounce of St-Germain. And I learned a new technique from Jason Yu while we were bartending together the other night. Watch. Sorry. Is it like this? No, how do you do it?
I guess you didn't learn it after all. Yeah.
Gotta practice it before I do it on camera. We're gonna do 2 ounces of gin, and we're using Citadel, which is a French gin. Oh, no, sorry, not 2 ounces. 1.5 ounces, 45 mils. Bam, 1.5 ounces, right in there. Get in there, motherfucker. Get in there, motherfucker. All right, and 1 egg white. We're gonna do it in a separate tin. Do you know why?
Yes.
Tell the audience why.
In case you mess up, people.
That's right, in case you mess up. You won't have messed up all your very expensive ingredients, and you can just crack another egg, provided that you have another egg. Luckily, we do. All right.
With these prices.
Give it a dry shake. What?
With these prices, you might not want it. It's like
$1
an egg.
All right. I'm gonna let this sit for a second. Let's go. So I put a little heater cube in here to make sure we get the right dilution. Oh my God. Wow. It's very cucumbery and elderflowery. Whew, this is gonna be high volume, dude. It's probably gonna make more than what we got here. All right, and then just gonna float a little cucumber disc on top. Or not float it.
Sink it to the bottom.
Or just sink it to the bottom. Maybe I should have done a really mandolin thin one.
I mean, you can do it now if you want, because we can't see the other one, so.
True. I gotta go get the mandolin and then set it to be very paper thin. But yeah, paper thin would be nice. I'm just gonna, no, it's gotta be thinner. It's gonna float on top of that foam. Nope, gotta be thinner. How thin can we make a cucumber? That's the question.
You can make it thinner than you can make it with that mandolin, just like in.
Huh? Haha. Let's taste it. Mmm. Damn, that's good. Rich, very cucumber forward, and also very St-Germain forward. St-Germain and the cucumber go together like peas and carrots. You got a little bit of the botanicals of the gin. Now, gin is like, you taste those botanicals and it's just nice and light though. It is, and then it's also very creamy, you know, egg white cocktail. It's fantastic. This is going in my rotation, especially in the summertime. Amazing, love it. There it is, Giny Germain. This cocktail comes out of a book called Drink